For the past 5 years, I've been using Denk Pharma products in my daily practice. The response we see in our patients and their health provides us with more confidence in the products of Denk Pharma. I see these events from two perspectives. The first one is the scientific part of the event, the experience we have with the German speakers, and I believe the second part is the social part. It's an opportunity for us to see each other, to socialize with each other. Quality made in Germany for me is all about trust, because I really trust Germany, German quality. I use this trust, and even for my patients in the German products. From the past events with Denk Pharma here in Munich, there's two things I always have in mind. First one is the medical knowledge and the experience in the lectures we have. And I believe the second one is the beautiful city of Munich. And for me especially is the Allianz Arena. I love Bayern Munich, so it's very, very pleasant experience for me to visit Munich.